The first time that I did It's Not About the Horse, somebody said, oh, we're gonna go do equine therapy. And I go, oh, that'll be fun. And then I got out in the ring and I'm sobbing. I'm like, this is not fun. Wyatt was able, with a laser-like intelligence, to tell where I was stuck. Wyatt's able to share his wisdom and therapeutic practices to help people reclaim their birthright and their joy and happiness. Wyatt not only created this unique equine experience, but he's helped thousands of Miraval guests and also colleagues find their voice and live in the present moment.
I would just call Wyatt one of the kindest people I've ever met. He is a human being who exudes kindness and non-judgmentalness above everything else.
It's okay to be afraid. It's okay to be angry. It's not okay to keep either one of those a secret. You have been taught to believe that something's wrong with you. That's another product of this culture. We have a shame-based, fear-based culture, and in order for you to connect with anybody, you're going to have to acknowledge that in you and begin working on it.
My fondest memories are watching Wyatt lead his class to the van where he would drive them here to the barn. What that looks like is Wyatt in the lead and guests behind him chattering, excited to see the horses and to pet the horses, having no idea what's in front of them or about to happen to them. The second half of that memory is watching Wyatt return from the barn, and the guests are behind him, Wyatt thinking to themselves, what just happened to me?
Well, when I say it's not about the horse, there's no deep mystical meaning to that. It's just not. It's about me being 100% responsible and you being 100% responsible for 50% of every relationship that you're in. There is no change, there is no healing without every person who's participating in that being accountable for their half of it.
In that first time, I realized the horse isn't listening to me because I'm not being present and I'm not speaking from the heart. And I learned in that moment how important it was to be present. I think that we're so taught in this lifetime that what we do is who we are. It was like, no, who you are is the most important thing. What you do is secondary, and what's in your heart is the most important. Our guiding purpose here at Miraval is to give our guests the tools to live a more balanced and present life. The equine programming here at Miraval Arizona complements many other programs, treatments, and classes, and our hope is to help people live the best version of themselves.